Ciao, everyone! Welcome to another exciting travel adventure. Welcome back to Guide My Travels, your go-to channel for all things travel. Today, let's dive into the heart of Tuscany and discover how to spend 3 perfect days in Florence, Italy. This city is a treasure trove of art, history, and culture, and I'm here to guide you through it all. Day 1, dive into the Renaissance. Florence is the birthplace of the Renaissance, and there's no better way to start your journey than by immersing yourself in its rich history. Start your morning with a visit to the iconic Florence Cathedral, or as the locals call it, Il Duomo. This architectural marvel is a symbol of Florence and a must-see for any visitor. Climb its 463 steps for an unbeatable view of the city. The effort is well worth it as you get a panoramic view that will take your breath away. Next, make your way to the Uffizi Gallery. This world-renowned museum houses some of the most important works of the Renaissance. Here you'll find masterpieces by Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci. Take your time to appreciate the art and the stories behind each piece. Don't forget to pause at the Ponte Vecchio, Florence's oldest and most picturesque bridge. It's a great spot for photos and to soak in the atmosphere. Wrap up your day with some gelato from Gelateria dei Neri. This place is famous for its creamy, delicious gelato, and it's the perfect way to end your first day. Trust me, it's the best in town. You'll find a variety of flavors that will satisfy any sweet tooth. Day 2, embrace the local culture. Florence is not just about art and history, it's also about experiencing the local way of life. Start with a visit to the Mercato Centrale. This bustling market is perfect for grabbing a delicious Italian breakfast and mingling with the locals. Enjoy a variety of fresh produce, cheeses, and pastries. It's a feast for the senses and a great way to fuel up for the day ahead. Head over to the Accademia Gallery to marvel at Michelangelo's David. This iconic sculpture is a testament to human creativity and skill. It's even more impressive in person. The detail and craftsmanship will leave you in awe. Wander the charming streets of the Oltrarno district. This area is known for its artisan shops and cozy cafes, offering a more laid-back vibe. Take your time to explore and maybe pick up a unique souvenir or two. The local artisans here create beautiful handmade items that you won't find anywhere else. End your day with a sunset at Piazza Michelangelo. The panoramic views of Florence will leave you speechless and provide the perfect backdrop for some stunning photos. The sight of the city bathed in the golden hues of the setting sun is something you'll remember forever. Day 3, explore beyond the city. While Florence itself is captivating, the surrounding areas offer even more to discover. Take a short trip to the stunning Boboli Gardens. These Renaissance gardens are perfect for a morning stroll and offer a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Enjoy the beautifully landscaped gardens, fountains, and statues. It's a great place to relax and take in the beauty of nature. Visit the Pitti Palace to soak up more art and history. This grand palace houses several museums and galleries, each offering a unique glimpse into Florence's past. For lunch, treat yourself to some authentic Tuscan cuisine at Trattoria for Leoni. The food here is simply divine, and you'll get a true taste of the region's culinary delights. If you have time, a wine tour in the nearby Chianti region is a must. The rolling vineyards and charming wineries offer a perfect day trip. Savor the flavors of Tuscany and toast to an unforgettable trip. The wines here are world-renowned, and the experience is one you won't want to miss. Florence is a city that will capture your heart and ignite your sense of adventure. Every corner of this city has a story to tell, and every experience will leave you wanting more. Whether you're an art lover, a history buff, or just someone who enjoys a good gelato, there's something here for you. Florence offers a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. So pack your bags and get ready to fall in love with Florence. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you make the most of your trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel guides. Until next time, ciao. Safe travels and happy exploring.